Amazing. You don't want to miss this adventure. And it set the tone for the rest of our journey. On your list. You won't regret it. Okay, history time. Get ready to embark on a journey through the ages, where every stone has a story to tell and every corner whispers secrets of the past. We're going back in time at the Bavet Nam historical site, a place that stands as a testament to the rich and diverse history of this region. This place is full of history, going all the way back to the ancient Funan Kingdom, one of the first civilizations in Southeast Asia. Imagine a thriving community, bustling with life, trade, and culture, centuries before our time. As we walked through the ruins, we couldn't help but feel amazed. Each step we took felt like a step back in time, connecting us to the lives of those who once walked these paths. These old buildings, these ancient stones, they were like whispers from the past. They tell tales of a bygone era, of people who lived, loved, and dreamed within these walls. We're talking about temples where people used to pray, where they sought solace and guidance from their deities. These sacred spaces were the heart of the community, places of worship and reflection, palaces where kings and queens lived, where decisions that shaped the course of history were made. These grand structures were symbols of power and authority, standing tall and proud, a whole civilization that existed centuries ago, with its own unique culture, traditions, and way of life. It's fascinating to think about how advanced they were, and how their legacy has endured through the ages. We climbed to the top of the tallest temple, and the view was breathtaking. From this vantage point, we could see the vast expanse of the land, a reminder of the grandeur and scale of this ancient civilization. We could see for miles, rice fields spread out like a quilt, mountains in the distance. The landscape was a beautiful mosaic, a testament to the harmony between nature and human ingenuity. It was like standing on the edge of history, seeing the world through the eyes of people from long ago. We felt a deep connection to the past, a sense of continuity that transcends time. And you know what? It made us realize that even though things change, even though time moves forward, there's something permanent about this land, something that endures through the ages, something that connects us to the past, a thread that weaves through the fabric of time, linking us to those who came before us. So, if you love history, or if you just want an experience that makes you think, visit Bavet Nam Historical Site. It's a place where the past comes alive, where you can walk in the footsteps of ancient civilizations. It reminds us that the past is always there, waiting to be discovered. Every visit is a new chapter in the story of humanity, a chance to learn, reflect, and be inspired by the resilience and creativity of our ancestors. Alright, after all that exploring, it's time to relax by the Svay Rieng riverside. This place is like a breath of fresh air, a peaceful escape from the everyday craziness. We found a quiet spot, laid down a blanket, and just chilled. The sound of the water flowing, the birds singing, the warm sun on our faces, it was pure relaxation. We spent hours just talking, watching the world go by. There were fishermen, kids playing in the water, families having picnics. It reminded us that sometimes the simplest things are the best, just being present, surrounded by nature, and forgetting about our phones for a while. As the sun started to set, turning the river golden, we knew it was time to go. But we left feeling refreshed and grateful for the beauty of the Svay Rieng riverside. Get ready for an adventure, one that will take you deep into the heart of nature's hidden wonders. We're going into the Kampong Trak Caves, a place where the earth reveals its ancient secrets. Now these aren't your ordinary caves. These caves are a labyrinth of history and natural beauty. We're talking about a maze of underground tunnels, each twist and turn offering a new surprise. Stalactites hang from the ceiling like nature's chandeliers, and a spooky silence envelops you. We put on our headlamps, took a deep breath, and prepared ourselves for the journey ahead. Stepping into the darkness, the air was humid, almost thick with mystery. The ground was wet and slippery, making each step a careful calculation. But it was exciting, exploring the unknown. We climbed over rocks, squeezed through tight spaces, and were amazed by the shapes made by water over centuries. The formations were like sculptures, crafted by time itself. It was like another world down there, a world where time stood still and nature reigned supreme. We even found a hidden room full of bats. It was like stepping into a scene from a movie. They were sleeping until we accidentally woke them up with our lights. Let me tell you, the sudden flurry of wings was both startling and exhilarating. There's nothing like the sound of hundreds of bats flapping their wings in a small space. It was a symphony of nature, raw and unfiltered. After what felt like hours navigating the twists and turns, we finally came out of the caves, blinking in the sunlight. The warmth of the sun was a welcome contrast to the cool, dark interior. We were covered in dirt, but we didn't care. Each smudge and stain was a badge of honor, a testament to our adventure. We had just experienced something truly unforgettable. It was more than just a journey through caves. It was a journey through time, through nature's artistry, and through our own sense of wonder and discovery. So there you have it, our adventure through the hidden gems of Bavet, Cambodia. Who knew this place had so much more to offer than just casinos? From peaceful parks to amazing bird sanctuaries, ancient ruins to quiet riversides, and even some underground exploration, Bavet surprised us. Remember, adventure is out there waiting to be found, even in the most unexpected places. So get out there, explore, and discover something new. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next epic journey. See you on the next adventure.